Hello everyone and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Tech Markets for Thursday the 12th of June. I'm going to move on to cable now, sterling dollar. And the big move to the upside has been seen on cable. Now this is really testing this, or even now in the process of breaking this downtrend that we've been in for the past month, 5 weeks. And this is beginning to start to gather momentum to the upside. Certainly these momentum indicators, RSI is peaking above that, it's above that 53 level that it got to on the previous reaction high, so it's starting to gain momentum to the upside. On a daily basis, you'd think now it's the next real test. If it can hold, if it can break above that 68.44 mark, then you'd be looking towards 68.57, which is that underside resistance of the old uptrend. But certainly at the moment, it is looking like it's trying to now break and hold this move above the downtrend. So an improvement there on the daily chart. On the intraday level, you've got a similar sort of story. We had this resistance band between 67.80 and 68 big figure. That's broken to the upside, and those two levels now turn into the support. So 68 big figure is the initial support you'd be looking at. But we're seeing this test. It's 68.32, so was that reaction high from the 9th. Sort of 68.34, so you're sort of in that sort of region of a test of these resistances. 68.44 being that key intraday reaction high that we need to break above, and it looks, as I said, like it's building once again. So it's on an intraday basis, the outlook is certainly improved from this spike higher that we've seen today, and it'll be now looking to if it can hold a correction back to the 68 big figure, then you'd be saying that the outlook is becoming increasingly more positive, and that would certainly be the case if you broke above that 68.44 mark. However, I suppose you could argue until then, you're still, unless you really do see a break of that 68.44 mark, you still have this case of a series of lower highs over the course of the past 3 or 4 weeks, and you'd say that on that daily chart, that is the downtrend that you're in. So I'll quickly draw that in. You are sort of now breaking that downtrend with this move, as I said on that daily chart. But until you break above that 68.44 mark, then you're probably still in that sequence of lower highs and just bordering on corrective. But if you can break above that 68.44 mark, then you'd start to that would confirm a change of outlook, I think. You got the retail sales today for the US. A positive number would be a drag on cable, and that may well stay intact for that sequence of lower highs if that is the case. But certainly the pressure on that 68.44 mark seems to be what we're seeing at the moment. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on cable today, and I will speak to you later.